up, guys? Anywho, my bills won yesterday. Good job, guys. Anywho, in other words, that are not related to Hurricane Irma. Well, maybe not. Maybe the bills are only one. Anyhow, first of all, about Hurricane Irma. Those of you that prayed, thank God. Thank your hearts. My power's back on. It's all about my fan that's over my head. And the internet's back on, which is how I'm talking to you guys. I'm not using my phone service, because I tried that and it didn't work. And my dad's outside trimming trees that are down. And one of my beautiful, beautiful plants, I think they're called petunias or something like that. And one of them are down. It's saddening. And my back fence is down. That's it. Pretty much, that's the only damage. Everything was bunching down. So nothing else can be damaged. And I don't have a garage. Yep. Anyhow, I keep seeing all of your photos. Those of you that are my Facebook friends. I keep seeing photos all over Facebook. Like all my friends' photos. On Facebook. Of damages. They're probably worse than mine. But I do feel bad for them. So don't think I don't. Anywho, yeah. And to my family up in, I think my family up in Buffalo, and South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina, and Pennsylvania, and a family friend in one of the Virginias. I thank you all for praying your hearts out for us. And yeah. Thank you. And yeah, be safe, because nobody knows where she's gonna go next after Tampa. But we're good. We survived. Like I said, metal roof and a cement block house, it's gonna remain standing. There's no damage with that. But yeah. Thank you, and have a blessed Monday.